Apology languages refer to the different ways in which individuals express regret or remorse for their actions. Just as people have different love languages, they also have different apology languages. Understanding the apology language of an individual can help in resolving conflicts and repairing relationships. The concept of apology languages was introduced by Dr. Gary Chapman and Dr. Jennifer Thomas in their book, The 5 Languages of Apology. According to the authors, there are 5 apology languages: expressing regret, accepting responsibility, making restitution, genuinely repenting, and requesting forgiveness. Each of these languages has its unique characteristics and may resonate more with certain individuals than others. Number 1. Expressing regret. This language involves simply saying "I'm sorry" and acknowledging the hurt caused. It is important to note that this language does not involve making excuses or justifications for one's actions. For individuals who value this apology language, a heartfelt apology that acknowledges the hurt caused is essential. Common expressions of regret include: 1. I am sorry for forgetting your birthday. I know that day is important to you. 2. I never should have done that. I apologize. 3. I'm sorry for saying that. That was a mistake, and I never should have communicated that. 4. I am sorry that I hurt your feelings. Number 2. Accepting responsibility. This language involves taking ownership of one's actions and admitting fault. Individuals who value this apology language may appreciate an explanation of what went wrong and how the actions could have been different. This language is often paired with expressing regret, but it is important to note that the two are not interchangeable. Ways of accepting responsibility include: 1. I am so sorry. It was my fault that this happened. 2. I should have confirmed the appointment time. This mix-up was entirely my fault. 3. This happened because of me, and I'm sorry. 4. This one is on me. I should have known better than to bring up that topic. Number 3. Making restitution. This language involves making amends for the harm caused. For individuals who value this apology language, simply saying "I'm sorry" may not be enough. They may appreciate a tangible effort to make things right, such as offering to pay for damages or committing to changing behavior. Examples of making restitution include: 1. I am so sorry that I stained your jacket. I am going to buy you a new one this weekend. 2. I'm planning on taking you to dinner to make up for what I did. 3. Please accept this necklace as a gift to show you how sorry I am. Number 4. Genuinely repenting. This language involves committing to changing behavior and making a conscious effort to prevent similar actions from occurring in the future. For individuals who value this apology language, actions speak louder than words, and they may appreciate seeing evidence of change over time. Common ways to genuinely repent include: 1. I'm so sorry for what I did. I know there may be nothing that could ever make it right, but I'm going to make sure it doesn't happen again. 2. Here's what I'm going to do to make sure we don't end up in this position again. 3. I am going to work on myself to make sure that I do not put myself in that position to hurt you again. 4. I am sorry. I am going to do the work of self-reflection to figure out why I did that. Number 5. Requesting forgiveness. This language involves asking for forgiveness from the individual who was harmed. For individuals who value this apology language, being asked for forgiveness is important for closure and moving forward. It is important to note that this language should only be used when the person expressing remorse genuinely seeks forgiveness and is committed to changing their behavior. Some examples of requesting forgiveness include: 1. Please forgive me for my insensitive comments during our discussion yesterday. I did not mean any harm. 2. Please forgive me for what I did. 3. I hope someday you can forgive me. 4. I understand that what I did was wrong, and I request your forgiveness. Understanding and speaking the apology language of the individual with whom you are resolving a conflict can be crucial in repairing the relationship. Not everyone responds to the same language, and using the wrong one can lead to further misunderstandings and hurt. It is important to listen to the individual and ask what they need to feel heard and understood. Apologizing in a way that resonates with them can help rebuild trust and ultimately lead to a stronger relationship. Did you relate to this video? Feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts, experiences, or suggestions. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with those who need to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe to the University of Wombe and hit the notification bell for more videos. The University of Wombe is a school of life and an academy of ideas helping people lead fulfilling lives by connecting 12 seemingly fragmented but interconnected dimensions of life into a universal whole.